Behet ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is revealing the secret of pyramids. Param Shanti. Pyramids are found all over the world. Egyptian pyramids are different type of pyramids. There is pyramid in China also, but they suppressed that matter and named it as a mountain. We can see pyramids worldwide. Some are 10,000, 15,000 years old and some are 50,000 years old. At earlier, there is a technique. They created gravity force of earth by using pyramid and technique together. Earlier in times, when triangular pyramids were built, they created earth's gravity force and generated electricity with that force and send out the signals to the vehicles or UFOs which travels to earth from second dimension, third dimension or from upper dimensions. They also use it to send signals with that vehicles by creating electricity. On pyramids, there is very high range of different signals with radio waves for different type of vehicles. Has now electromagnetic waves are in use. Likewise, to send signals, pyramids were used. This is very ancient theory. It's difficult to tell the exact time period because whatever the original theory or concept was in use, that vehicles are coming from third dimension, fourth dimension, for them there were specific people who lived on earth. Has different people of other planets are here on this earth in human form. So, people from other planets had to come and from other solar systems also had to come because here all over the world there is the creation of those people in human form. Always there is the creation of their people on earth. Pyramids were used to send signals to vehicles or UFOs by creating electricity for landing and for takeoff. There are small towns nearby these pyramids. There is no runway-like system in ancient times. The vehicles just fly off, means it doesn't run like our planes. It's a vehicle of anti-gravity which runs with air element. The people in different locations on earth send signals through pyramids to higher dimensions. And they come and go from different dimensions according to their signals they received from earth of their creation. This is the way how UFOs or vehicles come and go with help of signals. Pyramids are used in ancient times. When I visualized it staying in my soul conscious stage, I saw its very ancient time. It happened millions of years ago. People use it to connect with subtle world souls, like connecting with their respective god and goddesses or the people who are there in other solar systems. They use it to sit in that pyramid and they create sound waves by gaining power in their thoughts and connects with subtle world souls. Largest pyramids are like praying halls, as in our temples, which increases the soul power. Means to create sound waves and to connect with subtle world souls. Big size pyramids are there. At once, thousands of people can sit in that and can create energy. They connect to their respective subtle world souls who are in connection with them. The original use of pyramid is to connect with subtle world souls. After that, they used it in many ways like generating electricity to send signals to UFOs. They use it in different types. There is a lot of difference in pyramid what we are seeing now and the ancient ones. Param Shanti.